Hi there, and welcome to Tumms. My name is Toby Wright, and I'm the creator and founder of Tumms. Yeah, that's that funny little 9 letter word you've been seeing all over social media. You know, the one with the cute little owl. Well, his name is Ollie, but more on him later. Today, I'm making this explainer video to help you understand what Tumms is, how to use it, and most importantly, why you need Tumms in your life. Tones is a collection of tonalities that is made up of different pure sine waves, combined in a certain way to help you slow down after a long day, get to sleep faster, and stay asleep longer. Tones is delivered to you through a subscription-based sleep sound streaming service that can be accessed from any internet-connected device. It features unique, on-demand, high-definition sounds that can help promote sleep and revitalization. The pure tonalities in our Au Naturel program complement each other, creating a sense of deepened enlightenment, kindness, and gratitude. For those that enjoy the sounds of nature while they sleep, the waterfall, rainstorm, ocean, and lapping waves include those soundscapes over our Au Naturel program. Along with our nature sounds, we have traditional lullabies that include the Au Naturel tonalities featuring the beautiful operatic voice of Laura Macaulay Gregory. The Au Naturel program can help calm and relax your children and pets and assist them and you in a healthy night's sleep. Well, the difference between refresh, restore, and revive is the depth of sleep. Refresh being the lightest sleep and revive being the deepest. For the last 15 minutes of each selection, you will experience a rise. This motivating tonality is designed to awaken you gently and possibly stimulate your attitude towards clarity, focus, and optimism for the coming day's events. Our refresh blend of frequencies is designed to help you get to sleep and may assist in keeping your natural circadian rhythm, helping you to sleep in a more relaxing way. Refresh can help lead to a resting state for the brain and could aid in mental coordination, alertness, calmness, and learning. And by using this sound, stress, tension, and feelings of nervousness may be reduced. The Restore blend may help you stay asleep longer and deeper, promoting lower levels of anxiety and depression. The Restore tonalities may assist as a gateway to learning, memory, and intuition. These sounds may withdraw you from the external world and help you to focus on relaxation. Lastly, the Revive tonality has been found to be effective assisting people with the most difficulty falling asleep and maintaining a healthy sleep cycle. It has been shown to promote REM sleep and deep sleep meditation. Productivity and memory are enhanced by proper sleeping schedules, thus allowing the brain to process the day's events. Usually, this tonality fosters a dream state where healing and rejuvenation are stimulated. Again, at the end of each of these selections, you'll experience a rise, a motivating tonality designed to awaken you gently and possibly stimulate your attitude towards clarity, focus, and optimism for the coming day's events. I'll go into the technical explanation of what Tumms is a bit later, but first, I'd like to tell you about how to use Tumms. The purpose of Tumms is to help calm anxieties and to assist in peaceful, uninterrupted sleep, while allowing the body to restore itself to a healthier state. And by the way, listening to any of the Tumms series, please do not drive or operate any machinery. For best results, please choose a calm, quiet environment where you can lay back and relax, hopefully for a full night's rest, or maybe you just want to take a quick power nap or meditation. Either way, please put on some comfortable headphones and set the volume to low. The volume should be just loud enough to hear over your ambient noise. In other words, the noise around you. While listening, try not to focus on what you're hearing, as it should be regarded as sounds in the background. Now, if you don't have any headphones, maybe have a Bluetooth speaker, or you can just play it from your internet-connected device. Most of them have speakers. But either way, set the volume to just above the ambient noise in the room. And once you're comfortable, please just close your eyes, relax, and let Tumms do its thing. Why use Tumms? Well, using Tumms may assist you in alleviating stress, anxiety, depression, and more. Since sleeping is such an integral part of our life, and as research shows, it's incredibly complex, let's do a little visualization. If you can, Close your eyes and picture yourself in a big city subway at rush hour. Everyone around you is hustling and bustling, and you're trying to get on the train. And can you feel how hectic that is? Now think about lounging on a tropical beach. Oh, the sunshine on your face, the waves coming in. Did you feel that? That's your body responding to your brain, slowing down and enjoying the moment. When you have trouble getting to sleep, it's often because we can't get our brain to slow down and be quiet. We are replaying events of the day, planning for things that have to happen tomorrow, or dreaming about something else down the road. Our goal here at Tumms is to help you focus on the most important parts of your life by getting deeper, more rejuvenating sleep. Tumms, when you decide to have a good night's sleep. Now let's go to the website and I'll give you a little tour. After signing up for your free trial and your subscription, you'll be on what we call the dashboard page. It looks like this. As you can see, Refresh, Restore, and Revive all have 5 subcategories: Waterfall, Rainstorm, Au Naturel, Ocean, and Lapping Waves. After you choose which program you'd like to listen to, you'll be prompted to answer the question, how long would you like to sleep? Well, the selections are in 30-minute increments, up to 10 hours. Please select one of those, hit the little play button, or the triangle to the right. Once you do this, if you're on a computer, your selection will start automatically. If you're on a phone or a tablet, you'll hit the play button again once the high-definition sound file loads. Sleep mode, when enabled, dims your screen for sleeping. You can save any file to your favorites, which is a personalized list of your favorite Tumms programs that can be quickly accessed from the main menu. At the bottom of the main dashboard page are the lullabies. These selections are only an hour long, and you can choose between our Refresh, Restore, and Revive levels for your preferred depth of sleep. If there's a request for more versions of these popular lullabies, please send us an email to support@tonality.com. Well, this is the end of the guided tour, and I hope if you have any questions, you'll get in touch with us. And thank you. Well, you may ask yourself, why do I need Tumms? Well, the answer is very simple. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever spent the night rolling around in bed, restless from the day's activities? I know I have. And this groundbreaking technology may help you get to sleep faster and stay asleep deeper and longer. If you have trouble getting to or staying asleep due to anxiety and worry, or you just can't seem to slow your brain down when your body is tired, then Tumms is definitely for you. I was just thinking the other day about who could benefit from using Tumms the most. I came up with one simple answer. Everyone. Everyone could benefit from a better night's sleep. Everyone from little babies and moms, from stressed out students about to take an exam, or even high pressure workers in factories, race car drivers, executives, athletes working to win their next big match or game. How about astronauts? Just think, when Elon Musk blasts his astronauts into space, they'll need to be very well rested for their brains to function as their job demands. Tumms should definitely be on their flight. And in your plans for sleeping soundly, rejuvenating your body, and helping you wake up feeling refreshed, reinvigorated, and ready to tackle whatever your day holds. Well, I want to thank you for checking out Tumms. And I hope you enjoy the free trial and you get a yearly subscription to then enjoy. Tumms, where quality sleep matters. Have sweet Tumms dreams.